Hello and welcome to this Listinfinity review. Thanks for looking at my channel. After you finish this video, feel free to look around at some other ways that you can make money online. But let's jump right in. We are going to cover in this video, first of all, what is Listinfinity, and then we're going to talk about what do you get with the Listinfinity program, and also how you can earn with Listinfinity. So make sure you watch all the way through to the end of the video because I'm going to show you income proof that I am earning with this, and you can as well. So first, what is Listinfinity? In a nutshell, Listinfinity is a viral email building and marketing platform. You get some products with it, opt-in pages, and some training as well. And then if you become a paying member, this is a free option and paid option. And if you become a paying member, then you have opportunities to earn with Listinfinity. So what do you get with Listinfinity? Well, let's jump over to my account. Here I am. I'm logged in to my Listinfinity's Infinity members area. And so, as you can see, I am a pro member. And we'll talk about the membership levels here in a little bit. And it's really great because once you become a member, they walk you right through the entire system setup. If you're a free member, they show you how, you need to do these first 3 steps. They show you how to connect your autoresponder, and they integrate with Aweber and GetResponse, and I think a couple others as well. But Aweber is great because when you get down to import your email campaign, because they do give you 30 days of follow-up emails. So once you collect a person's email address, then as long as you have this follow-up email campaign imported into your autoresponder, it'll send out emails for the next 30 days, encouraging them to consider upgrading to a paid account. And if you have Aweber, it's super easy to do because it just automatically imports once you enter the code in Aweber. But you can do them one by one with GetResponse or other options. Now, if you have a paid account, then they also show you how to set up your payment processor. Primarily, they work with PayPal and Stripe. Also, how you can activate income streams. There's some affiliate programs that you can apply for, get your affiliate account. And you see these down here. That way, when you add your affiliate links, if someone clicks on either Udemy to buy solo ads or ClickMagick for click tracking or Aweber, then you can earn an affiliate commission if they click on one of these banners down here. So you definitely want to activate those income streams. Add your affiliate links. They show you that there's some other, there's a way you can add your own affiliate offers outside of that. And so if you click on here as a paid member, then you could also earn some other affiliate commissions by adding your own, because maybe there's other programs that you promote or training or software that you can promote in this area and earn commissions. And then you can add your tracking pixels if you have that as well. And so that's the system setup. It's very step-by-step, super simple. Even if you're not technical, don't worry about it. And remember, the most important thing about having an online business is that you need to have a email list. You need to grow an email list. It's the most valuable asset you can actually have for an online business. And so Listinfinity makes it super easy. So what else do they give you? They give you 15 different lead capture pages, and you can see these are actually pretty nice, okay? So you just basically, select the one you want. There's some that are really plain, some that have, use different backgrounds. Again, some plainer ones, here at the bottom. The plain ones actually convert really well. But, if you just click on it, so if I click on this one, then it's going to open up, and so you can see how it looks. And so you just are sending your traffic to one of these opt-in pages, okay? And once somebody enters their email on the opt-in page, we'll go through that here in a minute, but let me just finish showing you what else you're getting here, okay? These sponsor recommended. So this is where if you have a paid program, you can enter some of your own affiliate offers here. And then you are getting quite a few promotion tools, okay? A lot of it talks about social media, especially using Facebook. And so it gives you some different, posts, Facebook posts that you can, so you don't need to come up with your own ideas. You can just copy and paste these posts that are given. Here's 30 more posts that can help with generate leads. These are more about engagement. And then there's a list of 100 different Facebook groups that you can join that will allow ads. And so you can run these posts or ads in there. You can also update your Facebook profile cover if you want. They give you graphics for that, so you can choose one of these. And then they also have graphics that you can use in your Facebook post, as well as different banners that you could put on a website if you have a website. So lots of different things, promotional materials. Now, the other thing is in training. With a free account, you do get the Facebook marketing plan, and this really is actually very in-depth. If I scroll down, you can see it just goes on and on and on. But it's a great way. Facebook can be a super effective way to as a traffic source, and a lot of people have a lot of good success with using free traffic from Facebook. And so this is some really good training that you may want to take advantage of. The other training, they have some success mindset. This is important because if you don't believe you're going to succeed, then you're not. So probably a good idea to look at. Solo ad secrets. That's a paid traffic method. And again, quite in-depth training here. And they walk you right through how to do it. But if you want to do some paid traffic, solo ad traffic can be good. And they do have some recommended vendors as well. It says last updated. I'm not sure if that's quite accurate. But they do give you some examples. The great thing is you go to Udemy right here, you click on that, and you can see solo ad traffic sellers on Udemy. You can see their reviews, you can see their rating, you can see if they get sales. And so it's actually pretty easy to find reputable sellers over there. Now the rest of the training, the Instagram marketing, free Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, TikTok marketing, and 10K blueprint, those are for paid members. Okay, so let's talk real quick what happens. So if you were to click the link in the description box below this video, it's going to take you to one of the opt-in pages that I use for ListInfinity. And what you would do is you would put your email address in and click on the button, click here to continue. Now that's going to open up this bridge page, and this is part of what you set up inside ListInfinity. And what it's going to do is say, hey, I just sent you an email with a link to the private Facebook group. Okay, you can customize this to say whatever it wants, what you want, and then when you click here to continue, it'll go from the bridge page to the ListInfinity main sales page. And so this is where it kind of talks about people can watch the video. It describes how the system works, and people can create their free account. Now, once they create, and there's lots of proof on here that people are getting paid, it does actually work. I'll show you some of my own proof here at the end of the video, so make sure you stay to the end. And they do talk about if you decide to get a paid account, they show you you're going to get all the opt-in pages. And if you do sign up for a paid account, you're going to get the additional training. And you can get a free vacation if you get the pro membership, etc. Okay, so that is the sales page. And so once you click on, either sign up or create your free account, it's going to take you here. It'll have referred by. My name will be on the bottom if you use my link, and then create account. Now that's going to set up your free account. And then after you set up your free account, you're going to see a page with the option to upgrade to a paid account. So let's go through and talk about what are the paid account options. ListInfinity, again, you have the free level, doesn't cost you anything to start. And then they have the starter level, which is a $25 one-time payment. What they call the advanced level, which is a $50 one-time payment. And the pro level, a $100 one-time payment. And the differences between those plans are all explained on the page where you have the option. You can always upgrade. So if you decide, hey, I'm going to right now, I'll give it a try at the $25 and see how it goes. And you can always upgrade at any time if you want. Now, the nice thing I always like to point out, remember, there are no ongoing payments, okay? This is not a subscription. This is not a recurring thing you're going to be billed. It's one time. I like to point that out because a lot of these programs, you actually have to stay on the ongoing subscription in order to be able to earn commissions. And that's not the case here. So like when I started, they actually only had the free and the pro. Okay, so they've added a couple levels since then. And the problem was if you were at the free level and you sent somebody to the opt-in page, whoops, and they opted in, and then they went here, and then they set up their free account, and then they decided, and then they saw the options to upgrade, right? To go to a paid level. Then, if you were a free member, you couldn't earn commissions because you can only earn commissions on the level you are at, right? So if you're on a free level, then you can't earn any commissions because free is free. You can't earn commissions on $0, right? And so if you only have a free account and someone decides to go pro and pays $100, then you don't get that, okay? So it's probably a good idea if you see the value in ListInfinity to try to start out wherever you can. And remember, it's a one-time payment. You're not going to be billed monthly, okay? And so that's the beauty of it, right? So if you are at the starter level, then if anybody joins at the starter level, then you get and these are 100% commissions that are paid directly to you. It goes direct to your PayPal, direct to your Stripe, okay? So it doesn't go to somebody else, and then you get paid, and you're not earning a percentage. You're earning 100%. So if you're at the starter level and someone decides that they also want to get started at the starter level, then their $25 payment is coming directly to your PayPal or Stripe account, and you keep 100% of it, and you get that immediately. And so that's why it's probably good to join at whatever level you can. Obviously, don't do something you're not financially able to do, but you definitely don't want to miss out on payments because you're only at a lower plan, right? So let's go back. Let's look. Let me just show you my stats. And so you can see I've had a ton of clicks to my opt-in pages, 157 leads, and that's generated 6 sales. They've all gone pro, $100, okay? So, if you look at it that way, I paid $100 one time, and I've been able to generate a profit of $500 because I've, $600 in revenue, I had the one-time cost of $100 to join, which gives me $500 in profit. And so that is the ListInfinity system. So if you found this video helpful, I encourage you to please give me a thumbs up, and I should have asked you earlier to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I showed you the income proof. I showed you what ListInfinity is. I showed you what you get. I show you how you can earn with ListInfinity. So if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me and let me know. And if you want to give it a try, then click the link in the description box down below. It's going to take you to one of the opt-in pages that I use, and then just go ahead and go through. I showed you what you're going to see. So go ahead and get started and create that. You need to work your way here so you can get that free account set up. And if you're able to and you want to, then maybe go and get one of those paid upgrades as well. Thanks so much for watching.